Welcome to our channel, where we explore the realm of anti-aging skincare and share valuable insights for maintaining youthful, radiant skin. Aging is a natural process, but with the right skincare routine, we can slow down its visible effects and enhance our skin's vitality. Step 1. Cleanse. Start your routine by gently removing dirt, impurities, and makeup residue with a nourishing cleanser tailored to your skin type. This sets the foundation for healthy, glowing skin. Step 2. Hydrate and nourish. Choose skincare products infused with powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, retinol, peptides, and antioxidants. These ingredients replenish moisture, boost collagen production, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Step 3. Protect. Shield your skin from harmful UV rays by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily. Sunscreen prevents premature aging and the formation of age spots, ensuring your skin stays youthful. In addition to your skincare routine, embrace a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management contribute to overall skin health, slowing down the aging process. Don't forget the importance of self-care. Make time for relaxation, pampering, and activities that bring you joy. Stress can impact your skin, so prioritizing self-care can have a positive effect on your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Commit to your anti-aging skincare routine and adapt it as your skin's needs evolve over time. Thank you for joining us today. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated.